Hello dude, in this video you can see wonderful ideas of stairs. Stairs are so common in the daily lives that often we don't give them a second thought. Instead we simply climb up or down their steps without really thinking of how they could be improved for the benefits of people. The purpose of stair is for people to be able to go up or down. In order to reach a higher or lower level for the structure, good design is thus important to make sure their staircases are able to serve their purpose as effectively as possible. This makes good staircase design particularly important for your home since your staircase will be used daily by you and your family. It should make this as easy as comfortable as possible for you, which is only possible if it designed properly. And with your needs considered, here are some reasons a decayed staircase design is most important for your home. If you are living with elder individual for or someone carrying a leg injury, the stairs must be as easy as possible for them to climb. This means having rails that can hold on to and not having the space in between steps to be large or tall. This is so that they will not have difficulty or even fall down and get injured as they go up and down. These also apply to your young children who are in particular danger of falling down and getting hurt or stairs. Furthermore, if you live in a house with multiple people, this is good idea to have the staircase be wide enough for more than one person to pass at time. This helps everyone around the house much easier and can prevent any disaster if someone is carrying liquid or anything up or down the stairs as well. Okay viewers, I take a lot of time. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.